Hello YouTube, Wolfboy here. Today I'll tell you how to turn on Windows 10 starting sound. But before you get started, make sure to subscribe and check out my Discord channel if you need any help. And let's get into it. First, find the sound icon in your taskbar. Right click it and go to Sound Settings. It will be the first one. And then go to Related Settings and then go to Sound Control Panel. And then you will see Playback, Recording, Sounds and Communication. Go to Sounds and click Play Windows Startup Sounds. And press OK. And now your computer will play its startup sounds every time you open it up. And if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is go to Sound Control Panel. Go to Sounds and unclick Play Windows Startup Sounds. And press OK. Now, your computer will not play its startup sounds anymore. And this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, make sure to leave a like, and see you next time.